The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most talked about places on Earth. It sits in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. If you look at a map, you'll see it forms a rough triangle between Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. This area covers about 500,000 square miles of open sea. Sailors and pilots know these waters well. For centuries, ships and planes have crossed this stretch. But you know, something about the Bermuda Triangle makes it stand out from the rest of the ocean. The name itself sparks curiosity and, honestly, a hint of fear. What is it about this patch of ocean that draws so much attention? Some say it's just another part of the sea. Others believe it holds secrets we can't explain. The Bermuda Triangle has become a legend in its own right. For decades, people have wondered if there's something special or maybe even sinister about these waters. Are the stories true? Or is it all just a myth that refuses to die? The Bermuda Triangle is often called the Devil's Triangle. That nickname alone is enough to make anyone uneasy. Over the years, it's become famous for one thing: mysterious disappearances. Ships and planes have gone missing here, sometimes without leaving a single trace. What makes these disappearances so strange? Often, there are no distress calls, no wreckage is found. It's as if the ocean simply swallows them whole. This has given the Bermuda Triangle a reputation unlike any other place on Earth. Stories about the triangle have been passed down for generations. Some say it's cursed, others blame aliens or underwater cities. The more people talk, the bigger the legend grows. Movies, books, and TV shows have all added fuel to the fire. But is the Bermuda Triangle really more dangerous than other parts of the ocean? Or do we just pay more attention to what happens here because of its spooky reputation? That's the question many have tried to answer. Perhaps the most famous case is Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers set out on a routine training mission from Florida. The weather was clear and the pilots were experienced. But something went wrong. The planes became disoriented and lost contact with their base. All 5 vanished, along with a rescue plane sent to find them. No wreckage was ever found. Another chilling story is that of the USS Cyclops. In March 1918, this massive Navy cargo ship was carrying over 300 men and a full load of manganese ore. It left Barbados, bound for Baltimore, but never arrived. No SOS signal was sent, no debris was discovered. The Cyclops simply disappeared. These aren't the only stories. The list of missing vessels includes the Marine Sulphur Queen, a tanker that vanished in 1963, and the Star Tiger, a British passenger plane lost in 1948. Each disappearance adds another layer to the mystery. What links all these cases? The Bermuda Triangle. This area seems to swallow up ships and planes, leaving families and investigators with more questions than answers. It's not just old stories that keep the legend alive. Even in recent years, strange events have happened in the Bermuda Triangle. In 2015, the cargo ship El Faro sank during a hurricane. All 33 crew members were lost. While the hurricane was a clear danger, the ship's disappearance added to the triangle's eerie reputation. Sometimes, ships and planes vanish in good weather. For example, in 1948, a DC-3 passenger plane disappeared on a clear night with 32 people aboard. No wreckage was found. In 1967, a cabin cruiser called Witchcraft vanished just a mile from Miami. The Coast Guard found no sign of the boat or its 2 passengers. These real events make people wonder, is it just bad luck or is there something more going on? The ocean is a dangerous place, but the triangle seems to have more than its share of mysteries. Each new disappearance adds to the legend. The more it happens, the harder it is to dismiss the Bermuda Triangle as just another patch of sea. Scientists have tried to explain the Bermuda Triangle's secrets. Some say it's all about the weather. Sudden storms, strong currents, and rogue waves can catch even the best sailors off guard. Others point to human error. Navigation mistakes are common in this busy stretch of ocean. There are also natural hazards. The Gulf Stream flows through the triangle, creating fast-moving water that can sweep away debris. Some researchers talk about methane gas bubbles rising from the sea floor. These could make the water less dense and sink ships quickly. But not everyone is convinced. The United States Coast Guard and insurance companies say the triangle isn't any more dangerous than other parts of the ocean. They argue that stories of disappearances are exaggerated or misunderstood. So, what do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle a real mystery waiting to be solved? Or just a legend built on fear and coincidence? The answer might be out there, somewhere beneath the waves. Do you believe the mystery is solved? Or is the Bermuda Triangle still hiding secrets from us all?